Guys, we've come across something. Like I say, just doing a little explore, guys, around, and we found some stuff. What's that?
Oh, I'll let you go first. Because you've got the camera.
Oh wow! Look at this. I've just been walking down this path, and obviously I've got my man bag on, and something has just tugged me. Yo guys, we are here, a revisit time at Moira furnace. We have come to see if we can find anything else that we didn't see last time. And I'm with Chris.
Yo.
So guys, yeah, we are at Moira furnace. Well, we're just over the road, should I say. And remember last time I said I wanted to know what this was? This is an actual memorial plaque. It's the Moira memorial clock. Guys, just so you can see this side, because last time we couldn't really tell because it was a bit too, my light was a bit too bright. And just so you know guys, it isn't just gone 10 to 12. As you can tell, it's still daytime. Last time we were here, folks, I couldn't show you the sign properly because it was a bit too dark, but hopefully you can see it better today. Just there, and obviously the wheel behind it, I couldn't get that last time either.
Furnace on Furnace Lane. Fucking hell, did well there, didn't they?
So guys, we're going to take you actually around now, just for a quick video. I'm not going to go around the same places as last time. Sorry, I'm not going to go around the place the same as last time because I've got like obviously night time for that. But this is what we didn't see last time, guys. The wheel and stuff. So yeah, guys, we're going to head in now. Moira furnace, guys, we're here. It's literally, this is the other part that I didn't come to, which is just over here, guys, in the distance. Let's go over to the furnace first. This was the part I didn't come up to last time, guys. Reason being was because I wanted to do a revisit, just so I can come and get some better shots for daytime, because this was just like a spontaneous moment last time I come here. I just turned up, drove past it and saw it. But this is the furnace, guys, just in front of us. And we're going to stay for a ghost hunt, aren't we?
We are.
We're going to do another revisit ghost hunt. Another side just here, guys. I mean, it says online that there's spirits that are in the woodland area. Now, it's all around, isn't it, the woodland area? But if you look online, there is actually a ghost hunt that goes on in the furnace, which is quite crazy because I've never actually known this place to be haunted until I read online. Well guys, we are going to stay, like I say, for a nighttime thing.
But we'd have to wait for night to fall, guys.
Yeah. We have probably got another hour or two left of daytime, so we can't really do a lot at the moment. But we will, folks, we will be here for a nighttime visit, we will stay. We've got some food, we've got some drinks, we're all good. But for now, I just want to do a quick little explore video for you. Just while we're here, just explore the actual furnace. We'll have a quick look into here if we can see. Don't know if you can see through there. It is just like a little hole, really. Little hole for the furnace. Now guys, we've come across something. Like I say, just doing a little explore, guys, around, and we found some stuff. Don't know if you can quite see. Turn my light on a bit so you can see. Do you think they are for a train or something?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Looks like trains, doesn't it? definitely. This is the difference, guys, when you come in the daytime. Well, I say daytime, night's falling now, but we are. You know, it's a lot brighter than last time I come on my own.
Obviously these are like wheels, aren't they?
Yeah. If anybody knows what they are, leave a comment, guys. Let us know. Probably something to do with the furnace.
Yeah.
Part of the furnace. Oh guys, we've come across some tunnels. I don't know if they're actually tunnels, but some little holes in the wall. We're going to go in and have a look. Have a look. Okay, let's go and have a look. Nothing in here by the looks of it. Oh, fireplace by the looks of it there. I'm guessing they're all like this. We are going to go in more, guys, just to see what we can find. Yeah, they're all pretty much going to be the same by the looks of it. Another one, guys. Sorry if I seem like I'm rushing, guys. Just my battery's going to go any second. I've got another one, but I just want to use this one as much as I can.
Things about this one's bigger. Where are you? Fireplace.
I'm in the tunnel. In the fireplace. Oh yeah, this one just skip over. Leads somewhere, doesn't it, guys? As you see. Sorry about that, guys. I think the battery went. So, carry on where we left off. This is where that hole was that we just seen. Yeah, just down there. And then we've got another one just here, haven't we, Chris? I'll show you. They're like little furnaces, aren't they?
Yeah.
Like little holes for burning stuff. I know there's one more, guys. We'll check. Just on the end here. It's all burnt. Does smell like burning though. Some new brickwork here.
Yeah, that's what I mean. And the other side, it looks like there's some, like this here, you see?
Yeah.
Look, it looks like it's actually burnt.
Crazy. Go around the corner, guys, and there's another one. Nothing too big. We're going to have a quick walk up, guys, see what else is up here.
Narnia.
This is the other parts that I didn't go, guys, last time.
Got some on oil on. Yeah.
See if I open them and come back this way. So this is on top of where we were just, guys. There is a sign I've noticed over the other side that we'll go and check what it is. As you see, guys, just down there, the tunnels will just be in. Found something over here though, folks. We'll go have a look. I'm going to sneak through the trees. Okay. This was that bit where I looked in.
Yeah. This will be like for the smoke and that's come out of.
Yeah. So there's obviously some being covered up over there.
That leap of faith at Blackpool.
Right in the middle.
Trigger for me that. Not today. Not today. Braver man than me.
Go on.
What I mean?
Straight to the middle. There we go. Conquered his fears, guys. Conquered his fears.
It on YouTube.
Make sure hit the thumbs up for him conquering his fears, guys. Gotta do it, gotta do it. So now we're gonna head round, we're gonna go back down, see what the sign says, okay? So, we'll see you in a minute, guys. So guys, as you can see, it is getting dark now. If you look around, my light is even on, as you see, and it is dark, guys. It's starting to rain a bit as well. So guys, we're just gonna walk down here now. We're going into the woodland area with it being dark. It's getting really dark. Chris is over in front. Sorry if you can't see much, guys. It is a bit too dark. Do you want to go this way? Into the forest? Yeah. Let's go into the forest. It is raining a little bit as well, folks. There we go. You can see better now. So guys, let's have a little wander around here, man, Chris. We're going to just walk around here. We're in the forest. The woodland area, sorry, it's not a forest. See what we can come across. And if there is anybody here, spirit wise, show us a sign. Just going to walk off path for a bit, guys, because last time, like I say, I was on path. What? So we're going to keep going. As you can see, guys, it is dripping a bit, it is getting a bit wet. It's starting to rain. Trying to not fall over here, folks. Trying to see where I'm going and look at the camera at the same time. Looking. Noises. Obviously it's just animals, guys. But this is like a video for you for a little explore and also a little ghost hunt at night. Just something that we wanted to do for a revisit. As always, folks, if you see something, then let us know. There's a path here. You found the path, yeah?
Yeah.
So I found it here as well. Just get up on the path. Probably in a plane in the sky, folks, as well. What's over there?
Reflecting
Oh, what's that?
reflecting back on the
What is it? No way. A creepy ass thing in the woods.
Well, that's what it is.
No! That is weird, guys.
It's like a fairy place, isn't it?
What the hell? Tell me a story.
Well, once upon a time,
Just sit down, guys.
there was some random toadstools in the woods, and Shano and Middy were out exploring, and they come across this weird place. And then they sat down for a few hours, got bored, went home, and played the PlayStation.
The Xbox. We have literally just come across this in the middle of a forest, well, in the middle of a woodland area. I need to stop saying forest.
Because we've been to that many locations, guys, we're
been to
stumbling
that
over
many
ourselves.
Yeah. That is a creepy ass thing.
I think we should get a little selfie on here.
Yeah, I'll take your photo of you. Mate, that is crazy, guys, that is crazy. But we just noticed over here, folks, look at this. there's actually an entrance to it. What the hell? Guys, that is nuts. That is nuts. In the middle of a woodland area. Crazy. Crazy. We're going to head on, guys. I just heard something behind me. I know I say this in every video, guys, but you know, you start hearing little things in the distance as you're walking. Mate, I really can't get over that. That is crazy. I cannot believe we just found that in a woodland area. I saw it as from here, from there. See it in the distance, guys, over there. Let me just zoom my torch here for you so you can see. See it over there, look, in the distance. Crazy hell, man, crazy. The thing is though, Chris, right, if I was walking up here like when I come up on the last video, then I would have saw that. But obviously I didn't come this far up because I stayed out of the woodland area. Well, out of the parts of the woodland area.
The bridge here. Maybe there might be a troll under it.
Creepy ass bridge, mate, in the middle of a forest. Middle of a woodland area. I have to reinstate myself. It is not a forest. It is a woodland area. What is down here? Don't know. Another bridge, guys. There you go. What's this here? Oh, you've scanned the post,
isn't it?
Scanned the post. Thought it was mine. So if there is anything here, guys, let us know. And also, if there's anything paranormal here, please show us a sign. Do something. Touch Chris.
Yeah, may as well.
It's been a while.
Yeah, action.
You know what we're like, guys, we like to have a laugh when we're on an explore. But when stuff gets serious, then yeah, we get serious. We have to. Fallen trees. We need to head off path somewhere, really, so we can find something else that's weird in the woods. What's here?
A brook.
A brook?
Oh, sorry.
Or a brook?
For you stalkers,
It's a brook.
Proper Yorkshire then.
It's a brook.
It's
not
a brook.
A brook.
The brook.
Mate, what is
Won't
it?
have this debate, come on.
Are we going across the brook?
Yeah, come on, do it. You first.
Do you want me to go first? How will you go first?
I'm in there.
Get ready, guys, get ready, watch it fall.
Right, looks sturdy enough there.
Oh,
Mate, look
I
at that.
thought it was going to fall.
Man's got skills. I'd laugh, don't fall in, you've got the camera.
Then I fall. Won't be funny, won't it?
No. It'd be funny, but it'd be expensive.
Yeah, bit of both. Camera's getting heavy with this light on. Swapping arms, that's why I keep moving the camera, guys. Don't know where we're going, we're just following Chris. I don't think he knows either.
No,
Get through there. Sure?
oh god.
Go back if not.
Yeah, I think we'll have to.
Let's go back. Back across the brook. Oh, what's over here? Well, I just fall over. I'm in front, that's why. There we go, there's a path here. Have we got a brook or we jump up here? This is where. That's a blooper for you.
It's the same brook.
Same brook. Try not to fall. Oh no, lost my balance then. Nearly. Oh, too
Killer
slow.
hoping.
I was too slow. Right then. Oh, we can still get across here. Looks like it's a tree there. Drink it, see?
No.
Have a swig.
No.
This is a crazy little walk. I should have come up here, man, last time. Oh, I'm sick of going up and down here.
You're alright on a motorbike.
Yeah, isn't it? Definitely. I keep forgetting I haven't got a light on my head. And I keep turning the camera away from me. Like I say, guys, anything you see, let us know. Just wondering if there is anything paranormal out here. Swapping hands, guys, that's why it's like knocking the keep knocking the light on the stabiliser, the camera stabiliser, should I say. Yes, this is where I was last time.
Yeah.
I remember this now because there should be some steps in front of us in a minute. This is it. Yeah, steps are down there, and that's where I come from. This is where I said on the video there's no need going down at the bottom, but we'll go down the bottom. Remember what Joe said, she said about me running up the stairs?
Yeah.
Over there. The stairs are literally over there.
Where did that lead you?
I'll go up in a minute, I'll show you. Hey guys, if Chris had watched the video he'd know where to lead us, wouldn't he?
Get himself in trouble.
Have some of that.
Calls himself part of the team.
That's it. Have some of that. So guys, this is where we was last time, but we were on top last time, which is on top of the tunnel, on top of the bridge, should I say. I don't know if you see her.
Oh yeah.
So we were up there last time, guys.
I feel like we're part of football factory.
There is another path here. So guys, we're not going to go up there yet, we're going to go this way first. Straight through the path. I don't know where Chris is going, he's heading that way. I'm heading in the woodland area. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. So as you see, guys, we're still walking through the woodland area. We'll come out of one and come into another. That is crazy, isn't it? That tree is literally just snapped.
Right, I've had enough today. Can't
Look at
stand
that,
this
guys.
anymore.
That is literally just snapped. That is weird. Some spiders on it. Literally just snapped, guys. Just snapped off. Keep hearing birds. Arcaz. It's good staying underneath the trees anyway because it is raining, so that's a good thing that we're stuck inside. We have two paths, guys, that way and this way. We're going to go this way. What's down here?
Not really a path.
Not really a path.
No.
Let's have a look while we're
A
here.
little fence and that there. Hey, I wonder if it's electric, Shano. Do you want to test it?
Like last time. Just see. No, nothing here, guys. That was funny. Public footpaths. Ain't it? This is a weird ass little walk. Try not to trip up, guys. Try not. Straight there. So as you can see, it is raining. We are going to keep walking though, folks. We are going to keep going for you. Don't know if you can quite see where we're going, but we're just following a path now. Any off paths we see, we'll follow them. I know we're sort of heading out of Moira now. No, that's fine. We'll just keep going till the batteries run out. Yeah, we'll come across some sort of gate here. Well, it's like a post that we can go through. God, didn't think of fat people, did they?
Oh, look, come on. Not much of a gap there, folks.
Not much at all. We just keep coming into open areas. Literally. But we're going to keep going. We don't know where we're heading to now, guys. We are actually lost. Well, not lost, we just followed the path back, but we're probably going to get lost. Nighttime little stroll with Shano and Chris, like usual. There's a lot of woodland areas in front of us, though. We've come to an open area. You what?
It smells fern tree.
Oh, I thought you said your phone's ringing. There's another gate down the bottom, guys. See you when we get there. So we're here, guys. We're just going to go through now. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the sign and see where we are. Leicestershire County Council straight up. Oh, they're all county councils. So we have a few paths. What's down there? Let's have a little look. One down there. Let's have a little wander this way, and then we'll wander back if not, guys, because we are coming away from Moira now, and this is not the point of the visit. But this does look a bit creepy down this way, so I just want to see what's down here. You know, that's what we do. We're explorers. We just explore. What's that?
I don't know.
Isn't it? Ow! Found something in the middle of the path. Don't know what it is, guys. It's just a wall. This is literally just a wall, guys. Just a weird ass wall. That is strange. Very strange. We'll join back to the path. There's another one here. What?
Save portion from the ground, isn't it? What a tag.
Say there's another one here. Another one we come across, guys. Don't know what they are. If anyone knows, let us know. Very strange. We keep going, guys. We're going to keep going.
Stabbed in the head by a massive fork.
Mate, there's paths everywhere. There is paths everywhere, literally everywhere. There's something here because you can scan these posts.
Yeah. But that's for orienteering, aren't they? That's what I thought.
I know you can. There's got codes on to scan, so that's why I thought you could scan. And we're coming to the end here by the looks of it. We'll have a look, guys. We'll have a look. Oh, I know where we are now. We're at the canal.
What?
The canal.
Yeah.
Here we go, guys. So this is all of the woodland area for Moira. We're still in Moira, which is a good thing. Swan in the middle.
The canal does run over.
Does it?
Yeah. We're not in actual.
We're in, literally, mate, there's loads of forest. Guys, right, I need to talk to you a sec. What do you think? We should come back and do more revisits. Definitely. 100%, what do you think?
I think so.
I think we should. This is the first revisit, obviously the second part of coming to Moira, and I think we need to do a series on this, guys. I mean, all around, you can't see, but I can see if you look all around, all of this is trees and forests, and it even goes all the way down the canal. We have a bridge here. Guys, it's crazy, it's crazy. We're definitely going to have to do this, we're definitely going to have to.
But it's massive as well, so.
Jump in.
No.
We are literally nowhere near Moira Furnace, aren't we?
We've just literally come back to the middle of nowhere, mate. That's what it's all about, guys. Middle of nowhere. Night time, just chill.
Do you want to say anything to the camera, Chris?
No. We might be lost, guys.
We're not lost. We're not lost.
Yeah, we can't get lost.
Can't get lost when my car's pinned. Exactly. Car's always pinned on Explorers, guys, in case I do get lost.
Thank you for that Google Maps.
Hint it. So guys, we've literally just took a shortcut and ended up back here, right on top of the lime kilns. So we're going to head down to them now. We're going to see what's about why it's dark. Yeah. This is following me down. It was this way, wasn't it? Sort of getting the hang of where we're going now, guys. But yeah, that woodland area is massive, isn't it? I've just been stuck.
As you can see, we're just at 460.
Yeah. Guys, seriously, the woodland area is massive up here. So that means that we will be back doing another revisit and another revisit and another revisit and so on.
We don't have to always start from this point, do we?
No, we could always come in at different areas. Now we've got a picture of the map, guys, we'll be coming in at different areas. Is this the one with the big...
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, no, it wasn't this one.
Was it not?
No, it might be the next one. Let's have a look. We need to find one with a big area, guys. That's not one. Well, it is, but yeah. I think it was this one. This was the one, guys. This was the one. Guys, it is raining a bit now. We're just going to head over to the actual furnace now, the building, because we want to get more footage for you of the old furnace. So guys, we'll see you when we get there. We're heading to it now, right in front of us, as you can probably see. Just up here, guys, just up here. Furnace. We're going to have a quick sit in here. Thought I'd look through here once, but we'll look again.
tell it's a nighttime one. Shano's blinding me with a light again.
As always, guys, as always. So if there's anything here, folks, no, I keep saying folks, the ghost. If there's any ghosts here, then please show us a sign. Touch Chris.
Again. This time touch Shano, I've had enough of it.
Sick of being touched.
Sick of being touched now.
So guys, just one more bit just to come around this side. Go around the rise. This way. I noticed there was another thing here. Like another hole in the wall. Another one here, guys. I think inside is meant to be haunted as well, folks. But there's nothing we can do to go inside because you have to pay to get in.
Oh, Shano.
Yeah? Where are you? Oh,
I'll let you go first.
What's
Because
in
you've
there?
got the camera.
Oh wow! Look at this, guys. Chris has found something. This is the tunnel that they were on about. Not that tunnel that I was on about, the tunnel that I was speaking about what I read online.
It's not meant for tall people.
Oh, there's another one here.
Oh, it just literally
Leads out,
to the
yeah.
other side, but yeah.
But this is another one here, guys. People littering as always. I think we should sit in the tunnel then.
Yeah.
Let's go sit in the tunnel, guys. Let's go sit in the tunnel. Yeah, oh, that goes all the way through. Don't even quite see that, guys. I'm going to try and show you with my torch. See if I can see through that hole. All the way through that goes, guys. Crazy. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for today, folks. As always, stay blessed, stay safe, and we'll see you in the near future, folks. It's peace from me.
Peace from me.
We'll see you soon. Peace. I've just been walking down this path, and obviously I've got my man bag on, and something has just tugged me. And I'm thinking, have I caught it on something? And I'm looking, guys, and I was in the middle of the path. Obviously I weren't filming because, as you could probably hear, if I go quiet, that is the rain that you can hear. But seriously, guys, something has just pulled on my bag. So what I want to know is, if there's anything here, then please do it again. Pull my bag again. It's every time though, Chris, isn't it? When you start filming, yep, nothing happens. So people think you're a liar. But seriously though, I felt something pull me.
As you can see around, Shano, the path's wide.
Yeah, the path's massive. That is crazy. Crazy as hell. So anything here, then pull my bag again. Come on, I'm on my own. Guys, that is really just like, I mean, I don't believe in none of the stuff, but it is a bit freaky what's just happened. It is a little bit freaky. But guys, seriously, I am not shitting you, something has just literally pulled my bag. I'm going to carry on filming for the time being, just so we can show you guys. I really didn't want to film because obviously my camera's going to get wet. Seriously wet. Keep hearing noises now. Right guys, I'm going to turn off for 2 seconds because I just want to get a quick photo. I'm still here, guys. Right, we're going to walk now to the car. But seriously, that was creepy as hell. What is this bridge?
Just a little random.
What the hell? Guys, we're going to go down here.
Can't change it.
Really don't want to be recording in this weather.
No.
Not while I'm with waterproof songs on me, when I'm waterproof on my camera.
Right, that way is to the brook.
Yeah. Go this way. But guys, I need to film this because honestly, that is just literally, it's a bit freaky. How I felt something pull my bag and now there's nothing. Seriously. Seriously guys, that is really, really freaky.
You're wearing new aftershave, Shano.
Am I wearing new aftershave?
Yeah.
Why? Because I pulled?
You smell.
Thought you meant because I pulled. Right guys, we're out to the woodland there now and I am going to put the camera away because it is too wet. So, folks, we'll see you soon. Definitely see you soon.